Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the new Snapdragon 855 going up against the Kirin 980, 6GB of RAM on both. The Mate 20 Pro is on performance mode, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mi 9 finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher, and that's not surprising because the GPU in the Snapdragon 855 is a beast. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored higher for the CPU, GPU, the UX, however the Mate 20 Pro scored slightly higher on the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am getting the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus I am getting the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so there will be speed tests, camera and benchmark comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.